Last question, and we've got to sketch a graph. Now, what you have to know is that if you have the graph of a function, and then you do the negative of that function, the function is flipped upside down in the x-axis, reflected in the x-axis, which means it will look like this. Try and make it, I mean, you could use tracing paper and actually do a proper reflection, but mine's all right if I do say so myself. That's quite a decent curve. Don't do a sketchy curve. They won't give you the mark for a sketchy curve. That's how that one looks. Be quite accurate. Now the next one, got to be careful with this one because most of you spotted that -1 brings the graph down by 1, but where exactly does it go to? You have to remember that with an exponential type graph, if you had y equals 5 to the power of x, which is what this graph is, then at 0, 5 to the power of 0 is 1. So when x is 0, y is exactly 1. So if you bring this down by 1, this new graph must go through the origin, must go through 0, 0. So everything has to go down by that distance. So this point must go down by that distance. This point must be here, otherwise they won't give you the mark for it. And this point must be here, and let's just take one in the middle. This must be here. So I'm going to go for it now. Smooth curve. Oh, not that smooth. Wish I'd done that in pencil. But it's got to go through the origin and it's got to be smooth.